Howdy ho, science lovers! We're back with a really cool, super easy experiment for you to try today. And it's a great day for science because if you look outside, the weather is not very nice out. And it looks like it's going to do something. It's kind of a gray sky. The clouds are all around. It's getting a little dark. Did somebody say rain? You got it. It looks like it's about to rain. So with weather like this, I've been thinking, where does rain actually come from? And how does it get from the sky all the way down to us here on Earth? I know. What better way to find out than to experiment? So I'm not really going to go outside and get myself on a cloud, but I am going to do an experiment called the cloud jar. And you only need a few things to make it happen. And we're going to be able to see how rain comes about and gets from the sky down to the ground. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. So what you need is a jar, and I filled mine up about 3/4 of the way with cool water. All right. And what I'm going to do is I have a piece of white paper here. I'm going to put it behind my jar just so you can see the inside better, because when it starts to rain, you're really, really going to want to see it. All right. So in this bowl, I have some water, and into that water, I added what color? Food coloring. Blue. But here's the best part of this experiment. You can make your rain any color you want, right? I have a pipette. If you don't have a pipette, no big deal. Don't sweat it. You can use a straw. Just cut it down so it's a comfortable fit in your hand. And you put your thumb on, put it in the water, put your thumb on one end of the straw and lift up. It works the same as a pipette. Fun fact for you today. All right, and then the last thing we need for our experiment, shaving cream. Okay. I don't know about you, but any experiment that uses shaving cream is already a blast. It's already one of my favorites. All right, so shaving cream is white and fluffy, just like something in the sky. Can you think of what that is? Did you say cloud? I thought I heard you say cloud. You're right. All right, so the water here in our jar is going to be the sky. All right, and on top of the sky is going to sit a fluffy, very good smelling, by the way, cloud. All right, so you're going to squirt, and you might need a grown-up to help you squirt the shaving cream into your water, but trust me, it's a blast. All right, are you ready? Here we go. We're going to make a cloud right on top of that water. Here goes. Whoa, here it comes. So what I'm going to do, one for good luck, there we go, is I'm just going to cover the top of the water. All right, so here we go. Here's our cloud in the sky. And now let's experiment to learn how rain comes. All right, so inside the cloud are water droplets, and they're very well behaved water droplets. Very nice. They're just calm and hanging out in the cloud. But guess what? Once more water droplets start to come into the cloud, they kind of get a little cramped and they start bashing into each other and bumping and bashing and bumping. And they're like, hey, watch out, you bumped me. No, you bumped me. The more they bump together, the more they stick together. So I'm going to use my blue water, and that's going to serve as water droplets. So here we are. They're in the cloud, all over, just minding their business, having a great day. But then guess what? More start to come. And now they start bumping and bashing into each other. And they're like, oh my goodness. And the more they bump into each other, the stickier they get. And the stickier they get, the bigger they get. Because when they start sticking together, they go from one little water droplet to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, and they get bigger. And the bigger they get, the heavier they get. And guess what, guys? A cloud is many awesome things, but a cloud isn't really that strong. So as those water droplets get heavy, the cloud starts to say, oh my gosh, you guys, I can't hold on to you. You're so heavy. You're weighing me down. I can't hold you anymore. So look what happens. The cloud starts to release, starts to let go of some of those water droplets. Look at them go. And they come out of the cloud, down through the air, and they land on us, on planet Earth. This is the rain. Look at that. Science is happening right here in the jar. It's raining and we're not even getting wet. So let's recap it, okay? So each cloud has water droplets in it. And the water droplets are great and happy and peaceful until more show up. And then as more show up, they start bumping and bashing into each other. And they stick together. And the more they stick together, the bigger they get. And the bigger they get, the heavier they get. And when that little cloud cannot hold all that water anymore, it starts to release it. And those drops start to fall from the sky. Rain. Oh my gosh. So doing an experiment like this on a day like today where it actually might rain is kind of neat. Because if those water droplets start to fall from the sky, you science lovers are going to know exactly what happened. Right? So cool. Try it. If you try it, take a picture and send it our way so we can post it and share it with all the kids in school. All right? Thanks for doing science. Science is cool. Yay! All right. Enjoy your rainy day. See you.